Hi, and welcome back to Tuesday Teaching Tips. Today, I would like to talk about the word discipline, which I think is a very misunderstood word, but it actually comes from the ancient Greek verb disko, which simply means to teach. It's totally separate from punishment, which I think a lot of us grew up maybe thinking they were one and the same, and they absolutely are not. To teach good skills and good behavior. That is ultimately all discipline is. The two keys to discipline, I'd say the first one, there are probably several, but the two I want to focus on today. One is to correct the behavior in the moment, or as close to the moment that the action happens as possible is best and very important. It's more memorable for the child. The second thing is that you want to discipline using positive action words instead of negative action words. And what I mean by that is if your kid goes tearing down the toy aisle, instead of yelling, "Don't run," you want to yell, "Walk in the store, please." And there's actually a lot of neuroscience behind this, believe it or not, which I won't go into, but basically the brain doesn't attach to the word not. So when you say do not do that or don't do that, do not run, don't run, the child's brain is attaching to the word run. If you say walk in the store, please, their brain is attaching to walk in the store. And yes, you might have to repeat yourself several times, maybe for a long time, but eventually what gets stored in that long-term memory is walk in the store. So I hope that was helpful. If you ever have any questions or comments about what I talk about in our Tuesday Teaching Tips, please leave a comment because we read every single one and we respond and we love hearing from you. So thanks again. Thanks so much for watching and have a great week.